In a world filled with distractions, division, and fear, many of us feel a pull towards something deeper, a sense of truth just beneath the surface. We live in a time when our attention and beliefs are carefully influenced to keep us focused on our differences and disconnected from our shared humanity. This influence, the matrix, creates a web of illusions that holds us in patterns of separation and keeps us from recognizing the power within. Through division, the matrix keeps us from experiencing the oneness and unity that connect us to ourselves, each other, and the divine source at the core of all life. The matrix has long used divide and conquer as a powerful tool to keep humanity asleep. By emphasizing our differences in terms of race, religion, culture, class, and ideology, the matrix encourages us to build walls around ourselves, blinding us to the bonds of unity that could be our greatest strength. When we are divided, we are more easily controlled, distracted, and kept from the truth of our shared potential and divine purpose. This division permeates every part of our lives, even in places where unity and love should flourish. Churches and spiritual communities, for example, can become divided by doctrine, tradition, or the desire for influence, rather than uniting as allies on the spiritual journey. Politics, too, thrives on separation, with leaders and systems that often exploit divisions for power. Elections, especially presidential ones, are stark reflections of the matrix's influence. People are divided by party, race, and cultural beliefs, forgetting that real power lies not in political figures but in our unity and shared humanity. Media and social media are some of the matrix's strongest branches, fueling this separation and keeping people unaware of their true selves. Through selective narratives and sensationalism, these platforms promote division and amplify fear, encouraging people to see others as rivals rather than allies. These channels, which could foster understanding, instead serve as instruments of manipulation, distracting us with shallow content, comparisons, and artificial desires. They keep us fragmented, restless, and easier to control. All these forces encourage an endless chase for validation through materialism, status, and superficial goals, leaving us feeling empty. They keep us in cycles of striving, without ever pausing to explore the deeper truths within us. This business keeps us from true connection with ourselves, with others, and with the divine presence that weaves through all life. Despite all of this, however, the key to freedom lies within us. By awakening to our shared essence and stepping beyond these illusions, we can dissolve these barriers and reclaim our power. Unity, compassion, and love are not merely ideals, they are our true nature. This is the essence of spiritual awakening, to see beyond the matrix's illusions, to reconnect with our divine heritage, and to recognize that separation is an illusion meant to keep us from our strength. As we awaken, we become pillar of light, guiding others on the path of freedom. By choosing to live in love, understanding, and purpose, we create a ripple effect that weakens the matrix's hold. Together, we can dissolve the chains of division, fear, and manipulation, allowing each of us to walk in our own inner light and embrace a reality founded on truth, peace, and unity. Our greatest strength lies in this journey, a journey that uplifts not only ourselves but all of humanity. Together, we rise above the matrix, walking hand in hand into a world rooted in compassion, wisdom, and divine purpose.